Imagine waking up one day, opening LinkedIn and seeing hundreds of UI UX designers posting the same thing, open to work. Not because they are bad designers, but because the industry changed faster than they expected. A few years ago, if you knew Figma well, if you could create clean landing pages, good wireframes, modern UI screens, you were valuable. But today, AI can generate entire app screens in seconds. Landing pages, dashboards, components, user flows, everything. And this is the biggest wake up call for every designer right now. Because the industry no longer rewards only execution, it rewards thinking. The harsh reality is 80% of execution based UI UX jobs are slowly disappearing. The designers who only know how to follow dribble trends, copy references, and create safe UI will struggle the most because AI is already becoming faster at repetitive design tasks. But here is the interesting part: design itself is not dying. In fact, the remaining designers will become even more valuable. Why? Because companies are now searching for designers who can think beyond screens. Designers who understand strategy, psychology, branding, business, storytelling, motion, user behavior, and AI systems. That's why the future belongs to cross-functional designers. And honestly, this is where most students make a huge mistake. They learn only one thing, only UI, only Figma, only screens. But modern design teams don't work like that anymore. Today, companies expect designers to collaborate across multiple creative areas. A UI UX designer who understands graphic design can create stronger visual communication. A designer who knows motion graphics can create better user experience and interactions. A designer who understands branding can build emotional connection. A designer who understands marketing can design for conversions. A designer who understands psychology can influence user decisions. That combination is powerful because now you are not just designing interfaces, you are designing experiences. And that's why exactly at WebD School we created our exclusive framework called Bridge. Because we realized one thing: students are learning software, but the industry is expecting strategic thinkers. There is a massive gap between classroom learning and real-world creative industry demands. So Bridge was designed to help students become industry-ready cross-functional creatives, not just software operators, because in the AI era, knowing tools alone is dangerous. Today it's Figma. Tomorrow, another AI tool replaces half of the workflow. But strategic thinking, creative direction, problem solving, human emotion, those things still matter. And honestly, the best designers of the future may not even call themselves UI UX designers. They'll become creative strategists, experienced designers, AI product thinkers, human AI interaction specialists, because the future of design is moving beyond screens. Look at where technology is going: AI assistants, AR and VR, voice interfaces, smart devices, spatial computing, autonomous AI agents. All these systems still need human-centered thinking. Someone needs to decide, how should this AI behave? How should users trust it? How should interactions feel emotionally? How do we reduce confusion? How do we create delight? AI can generate layouts, but it still struggles with human judgment. That's why the future designer needs to think like a creator, strategist, psychologist, and business problem solver combined. And another thing nobody talks about: soft skills are becoming more important than ever. Because when everyone has access to the same AI tools, your communication becomes your advantage. Your ability to explain ideas, pitch concepts, handle clients, collaborate with developers, understand business goals, take ownership. Those are the things that make you irreplaceable. A designer who only says, "Here is the design," will struggle. But a designer who says, "Here is why this improves user retention, reduces friction, and increases conversions," that designer becomes valuable. That designer leads teams. That designer survives. So, if you are learning design right now, don't panic, but don't stay comfortable either. The industry is evolving and you need to evolve with it. Stop focusing only on becoming a UI designer. Start becoming a creative thinker. Learn graphic design, learn motion, learn storytelling, learn psychology, learn business, learn AI tools. Become cross-functional because the future doesn't belong to designers who only execute. It belongs to designers who can think strategically and adapt faster than technology changes. And that's exactly the mindset we focus on through the Bridge framework at WebD School. Because our goal is not just to help students get jobs. Our goal is to help them stay valuable even when the industry changes again.